Hey everybody, Jason at Edmentum with you once again. This is video 2 of 3 as we showcase the brand new release in ExactPath that just took place here this fall of 2021. The last video, we took a look at a brand new kindergarten lesson that was looking at counting from 1 to 100 as the skill. Today, or for this video, we're going to take a look at a brand new first grade level lesson. And this one is connected to a skill on adding one-digit numbers to two-digit numbers. So what you'll see up here on the screen, I love, is right here up at the top, there's an I can statement. This was one of the things that we really concentrated on when I was an elementary principal. The idea of keeping kids actively participating in their own learning, thinking metacognitively about where they're at with their own skill base. So this is an I can statement. I can add one-digit numbers to two-digit numbers. The students know right from the get-go what it is that they're going to be looking at. The other thing that jumps out on the screen right here for me would be, again, familiar faces. Here's Han. Again, Han was in our kindergarten level lesson that we just took a look at in the previous video. I'm going to go ahead and start.
I am a special kind of detective. Today, I am searching for gems. When I find 10 gems, I put them in a bag. I have filled 3 bags, and I have 7 more gems.
New tutorial.
You have 37 gems.
And very colorful, very
I have
engaging.
5 gems.
It talks about
We
gems.
can add 37 and 5 to find how many gems we have in all.
Visually appealing for the kids. You can say, okay,
Let's
gems.
use tens
All right,
rods
so
and
I've got
ones
these
blocks to show our gems.
bags of
I will
10.
use a tens rod for each bag of 10,
Now we're taking
and
that
ones blocks to
idea
show
of
my single
and
gems.
we're converting it to an item that is
37 is
probably
shown
very
with
readily
3 tens
available
rods
in your
and
first
7
grade
ones
teachers'
blocks.
classrooms. The idea of 10
I can show my
rods
5
and
gems
single
with 5
cubes
ones blocks.
to represent as
Let's show the
manipulatives
addition
here,
problem using
tens and
numbers.
ones.
First, I have to add the ones. I will count on from 7, 8, 9,
Counting on, again, probably
10,
a concept that your teachers
11,
are talking about quite frequently in
12.
with first graders.
There are 12 ones. Okay, hon. Time for you to look for a 10.
Let me get out my magnifying glass. I can make a 10. When I make a 10, I regroup the 10 ones
So you'll see
into one
those
10. 12
digital
is
manipulatives
one
move
10
up
and 2
and
ones.
create that new 10 stick.
Now we can move the one new tens rod to the tens
Or
column.
tens rod, excuse me. We're moving
We
that
also
tens
need
rod
to
over
show
there
the
to
new
tens
10 in the
column.
addition problem.
When
We've
we
got
add
those
the
2
ones,
remaining
we get
cubes.
12. That's 1 10 and 2 ones.
Another thing that jumps out on me
We
here is
put the
that
1
these are
10
highlighting
in the tens column
the
and the
items
2
that we're
ones
talking
in the
about,
ones
these digital
column to
manipulatives,
show
highlighting
12.
those as they're being discussed here in the problem.
Now, let's add the tens. We have
Then
3
over here on
tens
the
and
right-hand
1
side,
more
we
10.
have this same operation
We have 4
represented
tens.
using numbers, using
The
digits.
addition problem shows there are 42 gems in all. I like regrouping the ones to make a 10 to add. Let's try another addition problem.
What is 39 plus
It's been about
6?
4 minutes
Choose
or
the
so, give or
correct
take,
answer.
that the tutorial has represented, or I should say presented, a concept, the idea of adding a single-digit number to a 2-digit number, using manipulatives, showing the thinking that takes place as students would be using these manipulatives, representing that up here on the screen, and talking through it again with those familiar characters. Han is that familiar math character that finds his way into most of our math ExactPath content. So again, we're going to continue on here with another video here. This is video 2 of 3. We're going to do a video 3 of 3 here shortly for this fall 2021 release in ExactPath. And that one will take a look at a brand new second grade math lesson. Thanks, everybody.